Okay, what we're gonna first say that, okay, 15% of x is equal to 20% of y. So let's just set up an equation out of that. So 15% is 15 over 100, right? Times x. So I'm just gonna say x is equal to 20 over 100 times y. So we want to know what percentage of x is y. How do we find that? Well, what we want is that, so they're asking for what percentage of x is y. So y is equal to kx, and we want to find what k is. So in order to do that, we can do the cancellations and stuff. So we're going to cancel this, right? Because you can multiply by 100 on both sides. You can also divide by 5 on both sides. So you get 3x is equal to 4y. So now we're kind of getting close to the form, and we want a y is equal to kx form. So what we're going to do is we're going to divide both sides by 4. So we have 3/4 x, y is equal to 3/4 x. So now our k is 3/4. They're asking for what percentage of x is y. So we want to convert k into a percentage. And so doing multiplying this by 25 over 25, we get 75 over 100. And that's basically 75%, right? So y is 75% of x. So that's your answer. Okay, next example. A store increased the original price of a shirt by a certain percent and then lowered the new price by the same amount. Given that the resulting price was 84% of the original price, by what percent was the price increased and decreased? So again, I'll give you some time to work on it and then we'll discuss.